po sa mga tatay.
And explain.
Explain niyo po kung bakit po ang word na ito ang naging.
Sa akin, low carb.
Low carb.
Every year naman nagtithank you tayo, pero ako ngayon, I want to congratulate Pastor kasi he's been on low carb diet for...
Sorry!
Ay, nalaki na yung babaki na nakakita. So, sa kanya na muna. Pero yun, it takes a lot of dedication to do that. Diba? Instead of thanking for this year, I want to congratulate him for his success. Pero, hopefully, tama na. Kasi parang sumusobrang payat naman. Mamaya, so, wala ka na masuot na damit mo lang, paluhod na. Pero yun, so it takes a lot of dedication and it shows what kind of person he is. His dedication to low carb diet pays off. So what more his dedication to family, to church, and to people. So yun, so congratulations sa successful low carb diet.